Let me show you how you can quickly create a CV using free templates. Go to adobe.com/express. Under Templates, click on Resume. Here you can choose from a number of templates. I'll use the purple one. When you click on it, you get the option to edit it. As you can see, there are different blocks of text and images, and you can edit everything from the font, text size, and color. I'll go ahead and edit the heading. Let me quickly adjust the size to fit in 2 lines and center the text. Enter my profession. To change the image, click on Replace and then click on Upload from device. I will replace it with my channel logo and make sure it fits in the middle. I don't really need this rectangle, so I'll delete it. That's how it works, and remember, you can always change the other blocks. When you're done, just click on Download at the top and choose the file format. It's best you download your CV in PDF because it is way easier to print PDF than an image. Thanks for watching.